In this video, we compare DJI Air 3 Combo and Avata Explorer Drone Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Air 3 Combo is a game changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 Combo captures stunning 48-megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 Combo offers a stable O3 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. In a comparison between the DJI Air 3 Combo and the Avata Explorer Drone Combo, several key distinctions are evident. The DJI Air 3 Combo impresses with its dual cameras, capturing stunning 48-megapixel images and 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, thereby providing immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. It also offers an omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature, a safety enhancement that is quite beneficial in challenging environments. The drone provides a stable O3 HD transmission that ensures smooth flights with a clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. On the other hand, the Avata Explorer Drone Combo offers an upgraded camera system with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155-degree FOV, providing next-level imagery. Its compact design allows for agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. It also offers an 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety features like a built-in propeller guard. The Avata drone's transmission system, DJI O3 Plus, provides a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Both drones comply with FAA Remote ID rules, adding to their reliability and legal compliance. In summary, the DJI Air 3 Combo excels in image quality and transmission range, while the Avata Explorer Drone Combo shines in its compact design and maneuverability.